Platform at 3 a.m. The lights are dim, wheels rolling over silence. I'm caving in, ticket in my palm. Already wearing thin, this train only moves forward, so let it begin. Scenery rushing backwards through the glass. Everything I held too tight, I'm letting pass. Beat in my headphones, 94 and slow. Melody takes over and I let it go. On the road, I don't turn around. Everything I lost is somewhere else now. On the road, the wind knows the sound of a heart that's learning how to not look down. Rails keep stretching past the edge of sight. Stranger by the window, fading into night. So the camera reflecting from the ceiling light. Every soul in this car has a different fight. I've climbed mountains, I've been swallowed by the rain. Every bright jump taught me how to hold the pain. Not every question needs an answer right away, but every step is proof that I am okay. On the road, I don't turn around. Everything I lost is somewhere else now. On the road, the wind knows the sound of a heart that's learning how to not look down. Slow down, the sunset's still burning. Speed up, the moon is already turning. This train won't wait for anyone at all, but the sky outside the window still belongs to us all. On the road, I don't turn around. Everything I lost is somewhere else now. On the road, the wind knows the sound of a heart that's learning how to not look down. Not look down. We were golden in the afterglow, holding tight and letting go. Every word you whisper low, turn static on the radio. Now the room is getting cold. Stories that we never told, and I'm reaching for a trace of the light that left your face. Every shadow on the wall looks like you, but starts to fall. I'm chasing fading lights tonight, running out of reason to fight. You're a ghost I used to hold. Now I'm standing okay down. I can feel the current pull me in, losing track of where I've been. Every step a little closer to the edge, standing on a broken ledge. Voices echoing through the haze, counting down the final days. And I'm falling through the static now. Can't remember why or how. Every signal fades to gray. Let the tide take me away.